Once upon a time, a fly was living happily in a house with a grandma and a boy. One day, the fly said,
I don't look like anyone else in this house. I have wings and they don't. They are pale and large. I am small and black. But how would these sort of people be my relatives? I am being so lucky. And they are so miserable. Let's imagine I'm hungry. I only need to boil open and good. And I can check sugar. Why do these people have wings? And these dancing strange colors. Whenever they see me, they look at me badly. I don't know why they look at me so badly. Perhaps if they realize how much I love them, they could become so wonderful like me. I am getting bigger every day. My wings are stronger and stronger, and I can fly faster. One day, the grandma's boy said, Grandma, do you know what I'm telling you and what is I think we would have find her a boyfriend? And do you know what that guy did? He put a plate with sugar. He left it on the terrace. And he expelled me from the house. With this great plate of sugar, I got many sweeties, but I escaped. I literally fly in the car. And I was very happy to live to the neighbor's house.